Hoopiness nuts. These are from Hoopinnesses. I know who they are, but they stopped their agreement that they were going to give me what I need from a supermarket. I eat daily. I eat because I'm hungry, and it's not possible to feed that I'm hungry. But somebody stole my keys and tried to feed that I was hungry, and I was continuing on being hungry while somebody was living in my keys for 23 years. And he's not the same last name as myself, and I suppose I don't have a name that way, but I have been asked to sign the insanity that is in the office that would sign my name, but it's really just your ask. It's not true that God would create me, that I am going to have the insanity of that. I asked for a name to be insane because I didn't have any access to keys for any name I might ever have, for whatever need. So when you ask me for my name, do you say that's because God wants you to sign your name here? Yeah, but he would never appear as God and say that. Well, that's you asking for the name and nobody cares. Why would you ask? Why wouldn't you ask me for all the money in the world? That's a selfless thing to do. I would like your name, please. What's your name so I can charge you rent? That's not the same thing as somebody saying, I think I've seen you before. I'm sorry, I forgot. If you told me, could you say it again? What is your name? I suppose that's wrong too, but it's different. So, what is your threatening? What more can I do for myself? Because it looks like I'm just about out of time here. I did it. I ordered an impact beating on myself in heaven again, and I'll get one this time. I didn't scream the threatening that I have nipples and I don't afford everything I hear with nipples. It's angry up in heaven. It's angry right now about Joel and Myra. She's historical evil. This might be my last serving of nuts. So what do you want to talk about? What's nuts to you?